Texas, Collin County in north central Texas, Dallas County in north central Texas, until 12:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 11:51 a.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Dallas, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Dallas, Garland, Mesquite, and Richardson around 11:55 a.m. Central Standard Time. Rowlett, Sanche, and Murphy around noon Central Standard Time. Plano, Wiley, and Parker around 12:05 p.m. Central Standard Time. Lucas around 12:10 p.m. Central Standard Time. Princeton, Farmersville, and Lowry Crossing around 12:20 p.m. Central Standard Time. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include St. Paul, Lake Ray Hubbard, Altoga, Weston, Branch, White Rock Lake, Blue Ridge, Levon Lake, New Hope, and Levon. This includes the following highways: Interstate 35E between mile markers 419 and 440. Interstate 20 between mile markers 468 and 475. Interstate 30 between mile markers 38 and 68. Interstate 45 between mile markers 275 and 284. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. The current time is 11:54.